For many aging Americans, a Commode chair has replaced the traditional toilet. Unfortunately, most Commode chairs available on the market today look and feel like they were developed in the 1950s. Uncomfortable, hard, cold, ugly, and too small are the most common complaints. The UltraCommode addresses all of these issues and more. Developed by frontline healthcare professionals, the UltraCommode sets a new standard in comfort, safety, versatility, and dignity. This modern Commode chair delivers exceptional value as a multifunction 3-in-1 device. No need to buy and store 2 or 3 different bulky products. The UltraCommode can be used as a bedside commode, an over-the-toilet commode, and even as a shower chair. Its long list of standard features include soft, warm padded seat surface, backrest, and armrests. The armrests are weight-bearing to assist users to and from the chair, and they swing up and out of the way for safe and easy transfers. The seat base is a generous 16 inches by 16 inches, allowing for extended sitting when compared to traditional undersized commodes. Height-adjustable legs allow the seat height to be perfectly customized. A patented U-shaped front bar eliminates the traditional straight bar and makes access easy for proper cleaning. The UltraCommode also features a unique folding frame that allows the chair to be assembled and disassembled in seconds without tools, ideal for storage and travel. When used as a shower chair, the commercial-grade polyurethane foam pads will never absorb water, and the medical-grade aluminum frame will never rust. The UltraCommode is available in gray as well as our signature High View Blue color. The High View Blue option helps cognitively and visually impaired users easily distinguish the chair from its surroundings and plays an important role in preventing slips, trips, and falls. A removable Commode pail with lid completes the long list of features. For users and loved ones who value comfort, safety, and dignity over price, the UltraCommode is the perfect bedroom and bathroom companion.